Hi everyone, welcome to your IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 22nd of June, and now let's look at what is buzzing today. First, going into market buzz, we'll be selecting stock, and the stock we'll be talking about today is Alphabet. Alphabet is the umbrella company for Google, and we can see for the past 24 hours, there are 171 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive, and the subjectivity is currently loading, but I believe it's 35%, which means people are being rational. And in the trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 12.10%. Going into the chart, we can see up there, they're saying short-term further events. Again, this is a daily chart. We can see there is a beautiful uptrend momentum going on. We can see there is higher highs and higher lows as well. The current price, well, the last price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also above the pivot point of 2325. And then we can also see the current price is also on top of the Bollinger Band. Let's see what's the support and resistance. So we can see the support and resistance right there. And I hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press like, and also don't forget to follow our social media, YouTube and Facebook. Until then, have a happy trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.